It's finally open.
Oh.
So, now I'm getting in. I'm gonna blow their news report. Rev it up. This is Need for Speed at its finest. No, it's loud. But yeah, this is... No. God, it's a... No!
Nice car, dude.
That's bad enough.
That was me.
That was your idea?
That was his idea.
It was his idea.
I don't know what the hell that is. Don't even ask me, because I won't even tell you. Is this a Civic?
These are all
Fill it up with power.
Oh, you have that one too?
No, that's what it does. That's what it's designed for. Bugs. Yeah, look at that stepping stool. That's raw power. Back door.
But it's about 10 hours and they're glimps that go in there.
Oh, okay.
This thing, I'm gonna kick it right now.
Definitely.
That was me kicking it.
There's
Bloods and cramps here. It's got nice doors for opening. It's got a nice wheel.
It's a Buick. See light again.
This is the latest
I did.
examples of modern luxury.
Crap. Can't do anything with this because the stick. This is also a stick. Ooh, it's Playboy. Yeah, get your Mazda on. One hand. Yeah! That's me playing with one hand. No! Mazda. We designed for drug dealers. 3,800. Dang. I think I just copied me. This is so insane. Oh my god. It's an automatic. Yeah. There's a bunch of little balls. Oh god. It's a game. It's a game. It's a game. Doing 1 horsepower. The power of a horse. Yeah. They're in league. Ooh. I can see them. I see them. Ooh, what's this? Wallet.